Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about the LCM. In last video we have finished the HCF. Now today we will see the LCM. Yes, least common multiple. So first we will see how to find the LCM. First question it is, find the LCM of 60 and 48. So for that you have to find first the prime factors of each number. After that you can find their least common multiple. So first let us find the prime factors of each number. So here first number 60. So you have to find the first prime factors of 60. So here just see 60 first it is divided by 2. 2 3s are 60, again 2 1s are 1, 2 5s are 10, again 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These are the factors of 60. And next 48. Now 48, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 1. So 48's factor 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. These are the factors of 48's. Now you have to find out least common multiple. Now for that you have to write first these two factors 60s and 48s. After that which factor is common, that you have to underline. Here just see 2 and 2. These two are first, in that both it is common. Next 2 and 2 it is common. Again 3 it is common. So these first write 2 into 2 into 3. After remaining all factors you have to write. Here what remains? 2 into 2 and 5. 2 into 2 into 5. So all you have to multiply, then you will get the LCM. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. That all answer it will come 240. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 5s are 240. So that is the LCM. So next find the LCM of 18 and 30. So find first what you are doing. Let us find the prime factor of each number. First 18s. Just see 18s. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 1. So what are the factors of 18? 2 into 3 into 3. Next 30's factor. 2 1s are 1. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 1. So what are the factors of 30? 2 into 3 into 5. So first what you are doing for LCM, which common, that you have to write. Here 2 and 2. Here I wrote 1 only time 2. Here 3 and 3. I wrote here 3. And these 3 no common is there. So remaining all factor as it is. 3 and 5 remains. So I wrote here 3 and 5. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. What is the answer? It is 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. So these are the method to find out the LCM. So today we are going to solve the practice set 13. So first question, find the LCM. In that first question 10 problems are there. First one, find the LCM of 12 and 15. That two methods you can find out the LCM. In last video also we have seen how to find out the HCF. Like this method also correct and this method is also correct. Any method you can choose and the right answer. First method just see here, which first factorize that 12. 2 6 the 12, 2 3 2 3 the 6, 3 1 the 1. So these are the factors of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Next 15's factor. 3 5 are 15, 5 1 are 1. So what are the factors of 15? 3 into 5. Now here I marked which is common, that with the green color sketch pen. Just see, you can understand that. Here 3 and 3 it is common in both. So here remaining factor as it is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 as a common and 5. What the answer? 2 into 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. What is the answer? So LCM of 12 and 50, it is a 60 only. Second method, 12 and 50. Which table both are present? So these as both are present is 3 tables. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. These 2's are not present in any table. So you can find the LCM like this. 3 into 4 into 5. So what it is? 3 into 4, 12. 12 5s are 50. 12 5s are 60. What the answer it is? LCM. So any method you can choose and find the LCM. So next, second one we'll see. Here 3 numbers are given. Same only method you have to use. So 3 is all first prime factorize, after you can find the LCM. First here 6 factor 2 into 3 and 3 ones are means 2 3s are 6, 3 ones are 3. So what are the factor? 2 into 3. Now 8's factor 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 ones are 1. What are the factor here? 2 into 2 into 2. Yes. Next, tens factor. 2 into 2 5s are 10, 5 ones are 1. What are the factor? 2 into 5. So all factors you have to write first here. 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 5. These all are the factors of 6, 8 and 10. So first here which is common, that I underlined with the help of green sketch pen. 2 is common, here I wrote 2. Remaining factors, these all you have to write as it is. 3, 2, 2 and 5. So what the answer it is? 2 into 3, 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 5s are 120. What is the LCM of that? Least common multiple, that is 120. Understood? Next one. Third one, 18 and 18 and 32's factor you have to, LCM you have to find out. First that you have to factorize, like that only. Just see, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 1. So what are the factor here? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So next 32's, 2 1s are 1, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 1. So what are the factor? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is the factors of 32. Now which is common here? Only 2 is common. So in both, so I wrote here first 2 and remaining factor as it is you have to write 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This 4 times 2. So what is the answer of that? This is 288. So what is the LCM of 18 and 32? That is 288. Understood, children? Next sum we will see. So next it is what? Fourth one. So fourth one is 10, 15 and 20's LCM you have to find out. Just see. First factorize this 10. 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 1. Next 15s, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 1. Next 20, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 20, 5 1s are 5. So what are the factors of 10? 2 and 2 into 5, 15 3 into 5, 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Yes. So which is common in that I underlined with the green sketch pen. Here 2 is common in both and 5 are common in all. So I wrote here 2 into 5 first. After remaining, what remains here? 3 into 2. So what is the answer it is? 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 32s are 60. What is the LCM of that? All 10, 15 and 20's LCM it is 60. So understood, children? So today we will stop here. Remaining question number 1 remaining 5 to 10 are for homework. If any difficulty is there, then call me. Next question number 2 we will see in the next video. Thank you.